Hello, everyone. Welcome to Coca English. How are you today? I hope you're happy and ready to learn a new English word.
Yes, Coca English is your favorite channel for easy English words. Every episode, we pick one word. We talk about it, we use it, and you can learn it fast. No hard stuff, just simple, fun English.
I'm Layla, your female host. I love coffee, cats, and teaching English. And next to me is my co-host, Sam.
Hi everyone, I'm Sam. I love sports, pizza, and making English easy for you. Today, Layla and I are going to talk about a great word. It's useful, it's simple, and you can use it every day.
That's right, Sam. You know, when we learn English, we need a good way to study. When we cook, we need a good way to make food. When we clean our rooms, we need a good way to do it. Do you know what that good way is called in English?
Oh, I think I know. Is it method?
Bingo! Today's word is method. Let's say it together. M-E-T-H-O-D. Method. Can you say it? Method.
Method. One more time, louder. Method.
Great job. Now, what does method mean? A method is a way of doing something. It's a plan or process to finish a task. For example, if you want to learn English, you can have a method. Study 10 minutes every morning. That's a method.
Oh, I get it. So, a method is a way to do something. Let me test this. When I make pizza, I have a method. First, I get flour and water. Then I mix them. Then I add cheese and tomatoes. Then I put it in the oven. Is that a method?
Perfect, Sam. That's a great method for making pizza. Another example, my cat has a method to get my attention. She sits on my book and meows. Every time, same way. That's her method.
Cats are smart. My dog has a method too. He brings his ball to me when he wants to play. That's his method. So, method is just a way to do something, right?
Exactly. It's not a hard word. Let's use it in simple sentences. First sentence. I have a method to learn new words. Repeat after me. I have a method to learn new words.
I have a method to learn new words.
Good. Second sentence. She uses a method to cook rice.
She uses a method to cook rice.
Nice. Third sentence. We need a method to clean the house fast.
Layla, can we talk about our methods for learning English? I have a simple method. Every night, I write 3 English words in a notebook. That's my method. It's easy and it works.
That's a great method, Sam. My method is different. I listen to English songs and sing along. I pick easy songs, no hard words. That's my method to improve my listening and speaking.
Oh, I like that method. Maybe I can try it too. So, method is for all kinds of things. Study, work, hobbies, even pet tricks.
Yes. Let's think of more examples. If you want to get up early, your method could be set an alarm and put it far from your bed. Then you have to stand up to turn it off. That's a good method.
I need that method. I always sleep late. Another example, when my little sister does homework, her method is to do math first, then reading. She says that's faster. That's her method.
Smart sister. So method is a noun. We can say a method, my method, her method, a good method, a simple method. Let's practice these phrases.
So, a method. Say it. A method.
My method. My method.
A good method. A good method.
A simple method. A simple method.
Easy, right? Now, let's make more sentences. Let's do a game, Layla. I'll start a sentence, you finish it with method.
Let's go.
To remember English words, my method is...
To write them on flashcards. To remember English words, my method is to write them on flashcards.
Perfect. My turn. To drink more water, her method is...
To carry a bottle with her everywhere. To drink more water, her method is to carry a bottle with her everywhere.
Great! Your turn to start, Layla.
To cook eggs, his method is...
To boil them for 5 minutes. To cook eggs, his method is to boil them for 5 minutes.
Yum! I like boiled eggs. See, everyone, method is so easy to use. You can use it for school, home, work, anywhere.
Let's check if we understand. What is a method? It's a way of doing something. Correct? Can we say, I method to study? No. We say, I have a method to study, or I use a method to study.
Right. Method is a noun, so we need verbs with it. Have, use, need, find. For example, I need a method to save money. She finds a method to learn fast.
Let's say those sentences together. I need a method to save money.
She finds a method to learn fast.
Good. Now, let's think about your life. Do you have a method for something? Maybe a method to pack your bag, a method to do laundry, or a method to watch your favorite shows.
I'm sure you do. And now you can talk about it in English with the word method. That's why we love this word. It's so useful.
Layla, let's tell a funny story with method. Last week, I tried to teach my dog to sit. I had a method. I held a treat above his head, he sat down, and I gave him the treat. But guess what? He only sat when I had the treat. My method worked, but only for treats.
That's a funny method, Sam. My story, I had a method to get my cat to take medicine. I mixed the medicine with tuna. She ate the tuna and the medicine. No problem. That method was perfect.
Cats love tuna, so that's a smart method. See, method can be funny too.
All right, everyone, let's recap. Today's word is method. It means a way of doing something. We can use it in sentences like, I have a method to learn English. She uses a method to cook rice. We need a method to clean fast.
It's easy, right? A1 and A2 level. No hard words, no tricky grammar. You can use method every day.
Now, we want to hear from you. After this video, please leave a comment. Can you make a sentence with method? Tell us your method for something. For example, my method to drink tea is to add milk first.
Yes. Write your sentence in the comments. We'll read every one. It's a great way to practice. Remember, practice makes perfect, and using method is the best method to remember it.
Thank you for watching Coca English. We'll see you next time with another easy, fun English word.
Bye, everyone. Don't forget to comment your sentence with method.
Bye-bye.